You've probably seen both names thrown around as top contenders, but what sets them apart? Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal the best option for premium features and the best for streaming. Spoiler alert, it might not be what you expect. Let's start with NordVPN. If you're looking for a premium service, NordVPN is hard to beat. It's packed with security features, like its double encryption, which adds an extra layer of protection. But here's where it gets interesting: NordVPN also has a massive server network. With over 5,000 servers across 60 countries, you're not just getting a VPN, you're getting flexibility. Whether you're looking for fast connections, privacy, or bypassing geo-restrictions, NordVPN is designed for the most demanding users. On top of that, it has a feature-rich app with options like CyberSEC for blocking ads and malware, and a kill switch to ensure your data stays secure. Next thing, let's talk about speed. One major advantage NordVPN has is its proprietary NordLynx protocol based on WireGuard. This means you can expect blazing fast speeds without compromising on security. But here's the downside: while NordVPN is fantastic for privacy and speed, its pricing can be a little on the high side, especially when you're looking at the long-term plans. Switching gears, let's dive into PureVPN. If you're a streaming enthusiast, you might think PureVPN is the better pick. Why? Well, PureVPN really stands out in the streaming department. It's one of the few services that consistently unblocks Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and other streaming platforms with ease. The streaming mode in the app makes it super simple to access content from all over the world. Next thing, when it comes to streaming, PureVPN also gives you more than just access to a wider array of content. You can stream in HD without a major loss in performance, thanks to its fast connections. However, don't expect the same level of security and extra features you'd get with NordVPN. PureVPN does offer solid encryption, but the app isn't as feature-packed. Plus, it has had a spotty history with some privacy concerns in the past, so it's not as trust-building as NordVPN. So, now that we've covered the main features, speed, security, and streaming, let's get real. Both NordVPN and PureVPN have their strengths, but neither is perfect. NordVPN wins when it comes to premium features and security. But if streaming is your top priority, PureVPN does a better job at getting you access to global content with minimal hassle. But here's the kicker: after trying both services, I'm convinced there's a better option out there, one that blends the best of both worlds, robust security features and top-tier streaming performance. If you're looking for the best of both, and you want a VPN that gives you everything NordVPN and PureVPN offer, then it's time to check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Take advantage of this offer and see for yourself why it's a top contender for both premium features and streaming. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Check it out now.